Don't make games on Roblox. Roblox is a dumpster fire at the moment, as my brother would probably say. First off, they have a piss poor reporting system. And a second, in the face check, age verification thing, with the phone. Yeah, kids are bypassing that real easy. Also, you don't want to make games that pedos will play, or even have pedos groom other kids in your games. I wouldn't want pedos playing my games. If I ever had kids in the future and I told them I want to play Roblox, I would say no. Too dangerous. If you want to make games, just use a real game engine. Like Unreal, Unity, or Godot. I recommend Godot because GD is like a mix between Lua and Python. And sure, the node system may be a little bit confusing at first. It took me a while to figure it out. Once you get the hang of it, you're off to the races. If you want a good starting place for Godot, Bracky has some really good tutorials for it. And when in doubt, go to the forums. Back to Roblox. Don't make a game for Roblox, seriously. It's a bad reputation at the moment. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys next time.